In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your song in GarageBand. So in order to save your progress or your tracks that you have, your work for the day, it's basically this icon here. Tap on that and you're going to go to My Songs. Okay, and that's saving it to a brand new My Song 4. You see I have all these right here, and you can rename these as well if you like. In order to rename these, let's bring this up. When you tap on it, you have the ability to change the name right there. But I want to keep the name, and that's fine. And this is where all your existing files for GarageBand will be, right in there. So if we want to bring back that song, we're just going to tap on it, and it's going to go right back to where it was. And that's how you save your progress in GarageBand.